Welcome. Today we head to Disney's Hollywood Studios for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway from our Walt Disney World vacation in June 2021. The darling duo are taking a leisurely drive to a picnic in their sporty roadster, with engineer Goofy's train following merrily along. Plot twist, you get to go too. Climb aboard a runaway railway and embark on a whirlwind ride through a world where the rules of physics don't apply. Prepare for unexpected twists, slapstick gags, and mind-boggling transformations at every turn, as Mickey and Minnie try to save the day. There's no telling where this train is heading. This is an adventure for Mickey and Minnie fans of all ages.
This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
How you doing? Hey, Mickey and Minnie.
Be sure to take good care of our friends.
You want to be there with me? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I'm about to hit that track switch. Wait! This is all my fault. Oh no! Let's get that runaway train. People see me. They're running wild.
Hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Really up now! We made it! Nothing can stop us now! Hurry, Mickey! Hurry! We have to stop them before they go over the... Welcome, dancers, welcome! Come. Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready, and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's come
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.